What it do, what it don't, what it is, what it isn't. You already know what this is. This is Once. We're Not Saying. Magazine dedicated to shit that I'm into, ZN. I'm your host, P Fire, aka Purple Pimpernel, and this is another episode of 2 Feet Bare Creps. So on today's episode, I'm not going to be doing a review. I'm just sort of going to do a retrospective sort of review on the Stone Island New Balance collabs that has happened over the last couple of years. Of course, first one, you've got Sporty Spice, super brown shoe. You got the Stone Island insignia right there, really nice, you know what I mean, really great for that old running. I remember I bought these, I said I'll never wear these because of the shape, but they're actually really comfortable and the shape's not too bad when you've got the right trousers on. Okay, of course, next up you have Classic Spice. You know, got the classic green edge badge right there, super tidy, classic build, really nice shoe. Not much more to say other than yum. And of course, finally you have Trendy Spice, you know, in line with all the dad shoe looking shoes out there. Nice build, trendy, bit of a wider leg shoe, so you know, you put on some cargos with a wider leg and you're good to go. Super nice build. Of course, you got the insignia there. So yeah, really nice. This was just a real quick, you know, comparison of the three. Of course, way more text in this one, super sporty. This one's a, you know, lifestyle classic shoe, and this is like a lifestyle modern shoe. So yeah, really nice. Different shoes, different crop circles right there. Super dope. Guys, check out my reviews of all three on the channel, and yeah, I'll see you in a short while. Guys, stay dope, stay fly. This has been another episode of 2 Feet Bare Creps. I've been your boy P Fire, aka P is for Polanski, no, and yeah, guys, I don't even know. Stay dope, stay fly. I'll catch you on the flip side. Peace.